The first line we draw is straight. And the other line can be oblique to us like this volley line. When we put our hands on the grip, then this line goes straight like this volley. When we hold our hands tightly, the line becomes straight. Now we will create another line like this. Why does it happen when our henna gets down to force it out? Then we get the line like this. Our line becomes like this. Then it is wrong. We always have to get our line straight this way. In this way, our design becomes alternating line by line. When we make a big line, we should take henna very slowly in this way. We will make these 3 lines easily with our hands like this. When we remove the henna too quickly, the line gets worse like this. Removing henna in this way is absolutely wrong. When we make a thin line and a straight line big, we make it very smoothly. After that, we will draw another line in the same way perfectly straight. And then in this way, we will make 3 lines perfectly straight and thin. If we draw the big line straight out from the stomach, our line becomes like this, and that's wrong. Heads make small jalebis in Mehndi, and if we make jalebis in a hurry for too long, they get spoiled, so they are not made this way. This is not how this jalebi design is made. Now I'm going to tell you the correct way to make jalebi design, and after seeing it, you guys should also try to make it yourself. This is the right way to make it. Try it yourself. Now I give you one more try, who will practice making this easy up-low. Make it like this easily and calmly, and this jalebi design will be made very easily. And in a way, I will show you how to make them. Both of them are one correct and one color. Let's go. Watch the design correct ones, and also watch this channel for the design colors.